Here are 3 reasons why your lace frontals are not lasting. First of all, I see this mistake all the time, and people apply their lace on wet glue. And what I mean is glue that is still white. You want to make sure that your glue dries to a clear and tacky consistency. So that means once it turns clear, apply your lace immediately. You don't want it to dry too much. Reason number 2 is that you're not lifting up your lace to see if there's any exposed lace that is not glued down. Even the smallest of unglued lace should either be glued down or cut off. Think of it as an open window. When you leave your window open, sometimes things that are unwanted could get in, such as oils and dirt, and that's exactly what will happen with your lace if you leave it exposed and unglued. So make sure everything is tacked down so we don't get no unwanted things going in our lace. The last reason as to why your lace is not lasting is because you are not melting your lace long enough. Not only does your glue need more time to dry, but you also need a lot of pressure on your lace for it to lay flat. So 30 minutes should be your key time. And don't forget to save this video if you want to refer back to it or watch the full in-depth video of this install on my YouTube channel. Like and follow for part 2.